Well, hello guys. Welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we have an unboxing for you. Without further ado, let us get to the goo. My unboxing knife for the day is the Kershaw Launch 10 because this thing is freaking awesome. And let's see what's inside. I know what's inside. It's the only thing I have really left to come. Is this a Kershaw? Okay. I don't remember this being a Kershaw. That's hilarious. It is a Kershaw. This is the Kershaw Kapsule. Very unlike a lot of the knives that I'm into. But wow. Oh, that's actually really freaking cool. So it's kind of like something that realistically, I would use this lanyard. I probably will hang this from my keychain. I think this is a really cool thing to have on you. It looks like a dagger ground blade, but it is not. This side is not sharpened. It's just this side is sharpened, but it's sharpened. You get a lot of blade length there. It's a smaller knife, but this is my Kershaw Launch 10, and you have just the same blade length as the Launch 10. One's just a drop point, one's that hawkbill shape. So the action, I guess, is kind of unique. You just push the button down and slide it up. It's almost reminiscent of almost like a box cutter, but its size and everything's just really cool. This is a really, really cool little knife. Comes pretty damn sharp out of the box. I mean, I'm gonna call that pretty much screaming sharp because that's some thick bubble plastic. Let's see here. If I had this on with me on the road and I needed to shave my arm hairs, let's see if this could do the job. Ironically, it is sharp to where it's cutting some off, but I could feel it catching. So it's not the sharpest thing, even though that felt like it was super, super sharp. But it is really, really cool, and you always have a knife on you because, I mean, the carry profile of this is slim, sleek, and just awesome. Yeah, there's not much to say about this. It's tiny, obviously. Here it is next to the Spyderco Domino, just as a size reference. Yeah, it's small. Here it is next to the Launch 10. You guys already know my Launch 10 is tiny. But it's really, really cool. It's really unique. I mean, it's not daunting at all. It almost, actually, you can put this on the bottom of your boot, right? Just, here, let's do that. You got it on the bottom of your boot. You get into a fight because you're in a 1970s bar, and you go, "What's up, dude? What's up?" Now, I'm that guy with the blade in the bottom of his boot. That's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. So you got some jimping up at the top here. It kind of pretty much just lets you know that this is the side that you're supposed to use. And actually, ergonomically, it doesn't feel intensely terrible. It's obviously a big block, so it's not going to be the most ergonomic, but I do feel like I can do some bearing down a little bit here. It's not going to be anything that you're going to do nothing crazy with, but this is like, hey, I need to bust this out, make a cut. Now, if you were to carry this and not make this is a fantastic fifth pocket knife. I mean, it's slim. Well, it's kind of actually a little fatter than you would expect, but it's relatively slim. But it's got this really deep carry pocket clip going on here, this fat little guy. And yeah, you can get, I mean, this is going to fit in your pocket. You're not going to know it's there. This thing's pretty sweet. To see how slim it actually is, here it is up against the Launch 10. It's just about the same width, if not slightly thinner, but the pocket clip is very narrow, so it's not going to like be obtrusive in any way in shape in that form. I genuinely like this. This blade steel is an 8CR13 MOV made in China, even though it's a Kershaw. What the hell? So, you know, that is what it is. But all that aside, I think this thing was like $30. I would have to go and look. I got it off of Blade HQ. I pre-ordered it because I wanted to get something new on the channel. And so it literally just came in despite it not being out too long. So this thing's pretty cool. It's not your normal pocket knife, but it's going to serve a lot of just function purposes, and it feels really smooth. And just to be a jackass, I said it feels really smooth, and then I'm going to spray some CLP in there. That's the kind of grease that I use or oil that I use for the most part. It's cheap, and you can get it at a lot of different places. work it in. See if we can thumb flip it. Ah, you can thumb flip it out. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So this, guys, is the Kershaw Kapsule. Very cool little knife. I knew it was small, but in the pictures it looked more blocky and like in your face. I thought it was going to be like 2 of these wide. Very excited to carry this. I think this is going to be one of those knives that everybody just genuinely enjoys to have on them, because you're always going to have a knife on you. Like, it doesn't look like a knife. You can hook it. I can take the pocket clip off, hook it to my keychain, and it's just going to, there you go. There's a knife. Take it off. Bloop. I think that's pretty freaking sweet, guys. All right. Oh, I missed it. There we go. There's the thumb flip. My name is Tyler. This is the Kershaw Kapsule. This has been Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe. Honestly, genuinely, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. It genuinely means a lot. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. If you didn't like it, give me some feedback in the comments below and hit the thumbs down button. In case you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon, which will be listed right here. In that Patreon, we're giving bi-monthly giveaways to just the Patreons based on the number of Patreons that we have in the Patreon. We will also be giving discounts on all the knives that I sell based on the number of patrons. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great day.